I'm about to show you how to get FX replay for free.
Yeah, nigga.
Step 1, create an account using a 10-minute mail. Okay, if you want to keep doing this over and over, you've got to use a 10-minute mail, not your own mail. Don't ask me why. Okay, now if you want to know why, it's because then they won't know that it is you doing it over and over again. All right. Okay, copy paste it, put it in here, boom, 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 and then boom. Okay, then step 2, just put a random username, put a random password. Now after you've done that, step 3, tell your mama you love your mama. Step 4, shake that ass around. Shake that ass, shake that ass. Okay, now step 5, verify your email. Okay, boom. Step 6. Now you've got 3 options. You've got the beginner, the intermediate, and the pro trader option, right? Now, back in the days, I used to always pick the pro trader option and I used to click on start 5-day free trial. But now they caught up until people actually using this as a free trial over and over and over again. And now you will be charged after the 5-day free trial, which kind of sucks, I know. But look, we've got a solution to this problem. Back in the days, what I used to do is I used to go on Revolut, create a one-time usement credit card, fill it in, and after the 5-day trial, I would just cancel it, and then I would just remake a new account and then use another credit card. That's how I used to do it, right? But now I know they changed it up. Now it doesn't work. They got caught up. They caught up to all the people using this shit for free. So now this is what you got to do, okay? You've got to click on the beginner plan. Oh my gosh. Why is this shit tripping? Hold on, y'all. Why is this shit tripping, bro? Hold on, y'all. All right. Start for free. Proceed to checkout. Come on, come on, come on. Let me fill my first name in. Julius. Yeah, boom. Next. Okay, just fill it in real quick. Click subscribe. Right. Now just press this in real quick. Blah, 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 blah. Like this. Yeah, boom, boom. Okay. So now I'm about to show y'all how you can weave around the restrictions on the free version. Okay, look. So boom. You go here, press on create session. You know, let's say you pick this, and you pick, you know, just multiple pairs. Boom, this, okay, boom, create session. Voila. Okay, now here it is very important, guys. Pay close attention. All right. You only have 50 trades per month. All right. So what you do is whenever you place a trade like this, just do not click on here. Don't place on place order. Just skip this. Whenever you place a trade, be honest with yourself. We're a back tester. We're trying to gather data. We're trying to get better. Okay. So boom, let's say you enter this trade. Voila. Okay, and it's a win. Okay, boom. You screenshot it, put it somewhere on an Excel sheet somewhere where you can keep the data.
Or you can go ahead and take 50 trades. Now, the benefits of taking 50 trades is that you will be able to see the analytics. If you look at the top left corner view in analytics, you will see the wins, losses, break evens after the 50 trades. That's the benefit of it. But you will have to create a whole new account. And I don't got time to be creating new accounts over and over and over again. You know what I'm saying? I want to be able to take my trades and then create a new session and keep my shit moving just like that. Just pick what you want to pick, all right? But I suggest is taking screenshots.
And that's how you move, okay? Now, let's say you only want to backtest the New York session. Do not click on go to next and click on next session. Why? Because you only got 3 times that you could do it. After the 3rd time, the backtest session ends. So what you do is you do this. Click on the 4 hour, I'm sorry, over here, and then you just go to the next session like this. Boom. You just press on the daily. You can also press on the daily, right? But oh, it's no daily option. Okay, press on the 4 hour, and they just go to the next session like this. Boom. Okay, this is London session. Let's go to New York. Okay, boom. We're already at the end of New York. But look, y'all get the memo, right? Like this. Okay, you look. All right, boom. Oh, nice. Sweep of liquidity. Okay, cool. Boom. Let's look for a sale. Wow. Put that shit over here. Boom. And let's see. Boom. Okay, it's a loss. It's cool. End of the session. Let's go to the next day. Boom. Pop, 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 pop.